Sabaidi, hello Kong. I hope you are doing fantastic there at home. And here is what we will learn today. I want you to open your handbook to page 124. That's right, page 124. Then we will do activity 1, learn the new vocabulary. We will listen and repeat those words. Then we will read the letter together, look at the letter's composition, then answer the questions and write questions to the answers. Let's go and have a look at the vocabulary box. Okay, let's start with the first word, torn up. Torn up. Peace. Peace. World Heritage Site. World Heritage Site. Temple. Temple. Waterfall. Waterfall. Plain of jars. Plain of jars. Amazing. Amazing. Impressed. Impressed. Exciting. Exciting. Quite. Quite. Lottery. Lottery. And the last word is champagne. Champagne. Right, so I want you to practice those words at least 3 times before we move on to number 3, reading the letter. Now, let's read number 3 together. Nita is an English student at a Department of English in the National University of Laos. Read her letter to Lida, her sister in Savannakhet, and then do the following exercises. Okay, let's take a look at the letter and read it together. Okay, let's start here at the top with the address. Now, this is the address of the sender. The address is Dongdok, Saitani, Vientiane, capital. And the letter was written on October 16, 2009. Let's start here. Dear Lida, how are you? I'm fine. Here's a letter in English. It's good practice for you and me. I have classes in English at Department of English, National University of Laos. I am in a class with 35 students. They are all from different provinces: Champasak, Salawan, Vientiane capital, Luang Prabang, Sikohang, Borkeo and Huapan provinces. Our teacher's name is Isabel. She's a very nice teacher. I live in an apartment with 2 friends, Wan and Tok, from Champasak province. They are very friendly, but it isn't easy to understand them. They speak very fast. Vientiane is very big, very exciting, but very expensive. It's very hot now, but I'm very happy here. Write to me soon. Love, Nita. Okay, now that we finished reading, we will take a look at the composition. What does composition mean? It just means what the letter looks like and how you should write it. Let me show you the example. So, if you take a look right here at the top, you see the address. That's right, the address. And you should always write the address on the top right of the letter. And just below the address, you write the date. This is the date when you wrote the letter. Okay, what day you write the letter, you put that date over there. Next, you will start your letter with dear, and the person's name is Lida. This is the person who gets the letter, right? Who gets the letter? So, if you send me a letter, you will write dear teacher. Okay, dear teacher. Then, she wrote a lot about her university life and her life in Vientiane capital, and she finished the letter with love and her name Nita, right? So you finish the letter by writing your own name right there at the bottom. Okay, that takes care of that. Let's move on to the questions. Now we have activity 3A. Are the following sentences true or false? Correct the false sentences. Okay, we've done this many times in the classroom. If it's true, you write true. If it's false, you write the true sentence why it is false. Okay, next is 3B. This is a little different than what we usually do. This time, I want you to write the questions instead of the answer. You look at the answer and you write the question. For example, number 1, the answer is Sawanaket. So, the question should be, where is Nita from? Right? You can just look up in the space with the passage and you can make the questions with that information. So, at number 2, you can see Champasak, Sarawak, Vientiane capital, Luang Prabang, all these provinces. So, provinces, what provinces are they from? For example, the next one is Isabel. This one should be very easy. The next answer is they are from Champasak province. Then the next one is Once 20 and Tux 19. And the last one is yes it is, but you also have a Vientiane in the question. So if I can give you a quick tip, you start number 6 with is Vientiane, and then write the question at the end. Right, I hope you have a good time. Let's move on to the final activity. So, what I want you to do is send a picture of the answers of activity 3A and 3B. Okay, take a picture and send it to me. Thank you very much, Kong. I hope you have a fantastic day and a great week. We'll see you again in the next video. Sabaydi, goodbye.